Want to create stunning, faceless videos without ever showing your face? In this step-by-step FLIKI.ai tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to go from script to final video using free AI tools. Get your free trial to get started. Bonus, I'll even show you how to use Chat GPT to generate your scripts. Check the description for my free script template and FLIKI link. Start by going to FLIKI.ai and signing in. It's a cloud-based tool that makes video creation easy, even if you've never edited before. Click New File. Next, create a new video. You can start from a blank file or paste in a script. Paste your script. Use Chat GPT to create your video script in seconds. Just copy and paste it here. You can choose from FLIKI's pre-made templates. You can select portrait or landscape by clicking the button on the top right side. But personally, I scroll to the bottom and hit skip for a clean start. If you opt for a portrait, you will be taken to a screen where you enter your title. You then have the option of using templates or the skip button. I always hit skip. Obviously, your image will be blank. By clicking on the image, you will have the option to use stock videos or images, upload your own, or have AI generate the image. Here I am in a portrait video that I already created. On the left side, you can change the music in a drop-down menu. The voice by clicking in this example on Gavin and getting a drop-down menu for voices. Preview your video, make edits, then click download. Your faceless video is done. Click the feature icon to see FLIKI's tips and tutorials. This gives you a breakdown and videos for easy access and will allow you to quickly become a faceless video creator. You get a free trial of 5 minutes of video which allows you to play with it and get to know the features. FLIKI has 4.8 star rating out of 5. FLIKI is a top-tier tool for faceless creators. Want to try FLIKI for free? Use the link in the description below. Also, download my free Chat GPT script generator and faceless video starter kit. As well, see my YouTube channel that was made using only FLIKI. I have tried many, but none compares to the results I get with FLIKI.